Hello class 4. So today we'll move on to the next chapter from social studies, that is chapter 9, agriculture in India. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about agriculture, then different cropping seasons in India and different types of food crops that is grown in India. Okay, so now let's start the chapter. I hope you all are with your books. So what is agriculture? Agriculture or farming, it is the cultivation of land for the production of crops. Okay. However, agriculture farming does not only mean growing crops in the field. It also includes horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. Okay. And horticulture means the practice of growing flowers, fruits and vegetables to be sold in the market. And livestock rearing means like some farmers, they keep animals for their own use, like they keep cows for milk, buffaloes for plowing the field, also for milk, also a sheep for fur, isn't it? So this is livestock rearing. Okay, and agriculture provides food for millions of people, okay, in our country, and it also provides raw materials for different types of industries. So that's why agriculture is very, very important in our country. Okay, about 70% of the people in our country, of the population here, they depend upon agriculture for their livelihood. Agriculture is their main occupation. Okay, and different varieties of crops are grown in our country. So different types of crops are grown here because here in India we have a favorable type of climate. The weather here is suitable for growing different types of crops. Then we have fertile soil. Okay, and we also get adequate amount of rainfall here. So that's why different types of crops are grown in our country. And in some places where there is less rainfall also, so the government has provided with irrigation facilities. Okay, so now let's do the cropping seasons. So there are two main cropping season, okay, Kharif season and Rabi season. The crops that are sown in the summers and harvested in winters, they are called Kharif crops. Okay, and Kharif crops, they require a lot of water and very hot weather to grow. Okay, so what type of climate is needed for Kharif crops? Yes, Kharif crops, they require a lot of water to grow. Okay, and plus it also requires a warm type of climate, hot type of climate. Okay, and the major crops that are grown in this Kharif season are rice, millets, sugarcane, maize, pulses. All these are Kharif crops. Now we have Rabi crops. Okay, so the crops that are sown in the winters and harvested in summers, they are called Rabi crops. Okay, and what type of climate is needed for growing Rabi crops? Let's see here. Rabi crops requires a cool climate at the time of sowing. At the time of sowing the seeds, you require a cool climate. They require a cool climate. Okay, whereas a warm climate is required during germination and harvesting. Okay, then the crops that are grown in the Rabi season are wheat, mustard, then you have oil seeds, barley. All these are crops that are grown in the Rabi season. Clear? Now the types of crops grown in India. There are two types of crops grown in India. They are food crops and cash crops. Okay, the crops that are grown to be sold in the market, they are called cash crops. Okay, and the crops that are grown to feed the people, they are called food crops. Yes, so now examples of food crops are like rice, wheat, maize, millets, pulses. All these are examples of food crops. And examples of cash crops like sugarcane, tea, coffee, jute, all these are examples of cash crops. Okay, now let's see food crops first. So what are food crops? Food crops are crops that are grown to feed the people. Okay, now first we have here is rice. Rice is a food crop. Okay, now India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. Okay, the first is China. And India comes second in producing rice all over the world. Rice is the staple food of the people living in the southern and eastern part of India. Rice is the staple food. Staple food means the main item of food, the main food of the people. Okay, the people living in the southern part and eastern part, they consume more rice. It is their main diet. Okay, Rice grows well in hot and humid climate and requires a lot of water. So what type of climate is needed for growing crops? Growing rice. Rice requires lot of water and a hot and humid climate. Okay, it is grown in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, then Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Orissa, Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so rice is grown in these states. Now we have wheat. Wheat is the second largest, India is the second largest producer of wheat in the world. Wheat requires a cool and moist climate. Okay, so India is the second largest producer of wheat also. Okay, so unlike rice, wheat requires a cool and moist climate. So it is grown in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Now maize. Maize is also known as corn. You know it, isn't it? It requires a high temperature and moderate rainfall for its growth. So maize requires a very high temperature. The temperature should be very high and it requires a moderate amount of rainfall. Not very high rainfall, not very less. A moderate amount of rainfall. Then it is grown in which states? Karnataka, then Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and Bihar. Now millets. Millets are small grains, okay, very coarse grains like jowar, bajra. These are millets. Millets are also known as coarse. Coarse means not very fine. Okay, millets are also called coarse grains. Millets are grown in a hot and dry climate. Millet also requires a very hot and dry climate. Okay, and it requires very less rainfall. Then we have pulses. India is one of the largest producer and consumer of pulses. Okay, so India is it produces the largest amount of pulses and it also consumes the largest amount of pulses. Okay, so pulses include gram, urad, moong. Okay, so when we talk about pulses, we have moong dal, we have urad dal, isn't it? All these are pulses. Pulses grows well in regions with a dry climate. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Maharashtra produce pulses on a large scale.